If you're new to WhatsApp, you might not know how to post your own status, showing other people that you chat with on WhatsApp what you're up to, maybe sharing a photo or a video, or just text about your current day. I'll show you exactly how to set that up, how to post that status, and decide who specifically can and cannot see that status. So let's jump right in. Open up the WhatsApp app on your iPhone or Android. And then instead of chats, tap on Updates at the bottom left and tap on Add Status. From here, you can choose a video status, photo, text, or voice. And if you wanted to upload a photo, you can tap on the photo gallery and just hit Continue and allow full access, and you can choose a photo. In my case, I want to choose this photo from 4th of July. You can see on here it says Status Contacts. I can tap on that and choose specifically who can see this. All of my contacts except specific people, or only share it with other people that I specify. But I want to choose all my contacts, so I'm going to hit Share. And then I can choose to add a caption if I wanted to. And after I've done that, I can tap on the status here and then tap on it again to be able to see that status and who has viewed it. If I ever wanted to delete that status, I can tap on those three dots and choose to delete it, or of course I could save it to my device if I wanted a copy of it to share maybe on Facebook or Instagram, TikTok, wherever else I want. I hope this helps. If you enjoyed this video and it was legitimately helpful for you, I would greatly appreciate it if you would consider subscribing to my channel, maybe leaving a like or a comment down below that this helped you out. It really helps me be able to make these videos completely free to you. Thanks for watching.